see. I am live. Oh, hey. TikTok, you don't stop. I need to do something on TikTok real quick. Good morning, good morning. I see you all. What up, bro? V-Chain popping off. I see that, yeah. Yes, sir. Yo, Beast Nocho, hello. More likes can attract viewers. Thank you, TikTok. Hello, Hits. Man, it's been a while. It's been about 5 days. Bitcoin go down to 42.6, maybe. I think for the next little bit we're gonna go up though. Wow, this is already already hot. Hello, Caesar, Peter, Justin, what's up? Steve, I see you. All right, man. All right, people are already hopping here. So, Polkadot, I like Polkadot. I've been telling people to get in since $10. Hey, live, love, laugh. I would still say Polkadot's going to go to its all-time high. Sold all my Solana, good choice. You know, it's interesting right now that may not be a bad choice. I would have just taken some profits, maybe sold a fifth of it. But we're at a very critical point right now. So you may end up looking back on that as an amazing choice. I'm not selling any of my Solana. I'm not selling anything right now. Good morning, CHLF. Good morning, Albert. Pullback soon on the whole market. I think we're still going to go up a little bit more right now. And then in September, yes. Solana, yeah. How high can it go? I've been saying $200. So why do you think Bitcoin will go up? Genuine question. I mean, I've been saying that. I've been saying that Bitcoin's going to go to $200,000 this cycle. I think I've been saying also that August would be a good month and that September would be flat and then October, November, December would just, you know, based on halvings, continue to go higher. So hello, Anaste. Good to see you again. Hey, Max. Pokemon, what's Pokemon? Crypto looks beautiful right now. Oh, Coin Show, what's up, man? I hop onto your videos. I used to be super huge into coins. So I love watching your videos. Man, I missed that. Okay. Bull or bear? I'm a bull. Any suggestions on coins? Ethereum and Litecoin. And man, you're going to kill me for this, but even Doge right now. Not right now for Doge, but yeah, Doge. It's clear that Doge is going to outperform Bitcoin even now. So what's up? Hey, I'm back from out of town, so I'm good. Sold all my portfolio. Is it right? I'm waiting for 42.6. I think you were a little premature on that. But, and I don't think we'll see 42.6. I think maybe 42.6. But the 20-week moving average, I think we're going to test that in September, which is at about $43,000. I only have 23 sold, but in good profit. Should I sell some or just hold? You know, you should take profits in general at times, but I still think we're going to go much higher. All right, Fast and Luxurious is expecting a big correction. People need to take their profits. I think it's always good to take some profits. Thoughts on HBAR? HBAR is a long-term hold for me. I'm very bullish on it. Ethereum Classic will move up as Ethereum moves up, but I'm not a huge fan of it. So volume is low. My concern. That's always your concern. Ha! Thank you, Coin Show. I see you there. Ryan, wallets of all sizes are continuing to buy. That's what I pay attention to. I do pay attention to volume, but right now, wallets of all sizes are buying. People are buying. They're not selling. What do you think on Matic and ADA at the moment? At the moment, ADA, I still think has room to grow. Matic, I think will be flat for a little bit. End of year, HBAR price point like $2. E. Davidson, what's up, man? I'm back from out of town. Already this chat's going to be, I can already tell this chat's going to be way too hot. I am live on YouTube. I'm able to answer every question on YouTube or comment, so subscribe to my YouTube channel. XRP, bullish on XRP. Thank you for those gifts, everybody. Is XRP a long hold? Not for me. Are we really going to 34K? I don't think so, no. ETH end of the year, end of cycle 15,000. Best coins in the cent still, in my opinion. I don't pay attention to market cap. Sorry, I pay attention only to market cap. But how about VeChain? Yeah, XRP is up 60%. I see that. Will ETH ever go down to 1900? No, it won't. What do you think about Doge? I'm bullish on Doge. I hate to say it because I don't like Doge, but I think it's going to outperform Bitcoin. So hey, visually stimulating. Do you think Bitcoin will have a huge correction? Huge as in 25%, I think, over the next month and a half that it will, yes. Parabolic signal saying we're going to see another big dump. I mean, what's a big dump? Is it 25%? Because then I'll agree with him. Litecoin is a huge short-term gain for me. I'm very bullish on Litecoin for the short term. Favorite NFTs? Penguin's a scam. I don't touch NFTs right now. I'll look into it in the bear market. I want to see how they do in the bear market. Yes, thank you, Eric. All right, opinion on ADA. I think August and September will be good. All right, back to 30K by November. I strongly disagree with that off time. 251, what's up, man? You're welcome, Ryan. Yeah. Sorry, let me see. What do you think of Solana's run? I'm a little surprised. I'm not like super surprised. It was due. So, yeah, I like it. Hey, 8. Thank you. Where's XRP going in this peak? $8 to $10, in my opinion. XLM thoughts, very bullish on XLM. I think my projection of $5 might be a little aggressive, but in the dollar, couple dollar range. So year-end price of prediction for Polkadot, end of cycle will be $200 in my opinion, CoinShow. Thoughts on Rune? They've been hacked 3 times. I don't care if it pumps. I don't care. I want to see them not be hacked for a long time. AMC, I'm talking crypto right now. All right, big old bag of HBAR at 15 cents. Awesome. DOT, again, $200 end of cycle. Let's see. I'm sorry, I'm way behind. I'm not going to be able to keep up. When is the end of ETH cycle? ETH may not have an end of cycle. It's doing the EIP 3675. It's going to be insane. Their production is going to be cut in 1/10. That's going to happen probably early 2022. So should I buy ETH or wait a bit until after September? I would. Man, I think you see a little bit lower price in September, but maybe not. When will Bitcoin have its 30% dip? 25 to 30% in September, in my opinion. I hear Bitcoin is for terrorists to exchange money. No comment. I don't think, sure, there's probably illegal things that happen with Bitcoin, but there's illegal things that happen with dollars as well. Quant price end of the year. I don't predict quant. I just think much higher. What time should we start selling crypto? When things go parabolic, when things just go crazy, which I know it feels like they're crazy now, but just wait. When they will launch PLS? No, I don't. Carson Coins, I don't know what that is. Doge, best news ever, still on hold. All right, man, when will Bitcoin dump? September, it will have, in my opinion, a 25 to 30% correction. Where does ADA peak in 2021? $10. I've been saying like $8. Good buying point for ETH at this point. If you see ETH under $3,000, I would say hit that buy button. XRP, bullish on XRP. Chris said the dump was coming if we didn't break the 10-point downtrend. Okay. Thank you, Jacob. We broke it. There's other things that I'm paying attention to, so whatever, I'm not going to take the time to explain why I think he's wrong. Solana still worth buying? No, not for right now. Thoughts? Sorry, I got to go back down to the bottom again. If you have a question you're dying to see answered, hop on over to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. The chat is much slower there. I'm able to answer questions there, every question. So, Crowview, Quant or Cosmos Quant? Crowview, I love Crypto.com. I just think it's going to be around for a while. Hey, Minty1, I remember I made a video responding to you. Very bullish on Crow. Do you see a pullback in the crypto market in September? Yes. Define parabolic in some way. Here's parabolic. Whoop. All right, HBAR price prediction, $2. End of cycle, in my opinion, early mid-2022. I am still participating in Pi. I'm just waiting. Will it ever be worth anything? AMP's a buy in general. I don't know what the price of AMP is right now. So when does XRP hit its peak, $8 to $10, when things go parabolic? Do you think Dot and Link will follow what Solana has just done? I mean, Dot and Link have both gone up. I don't think it's going to be crazy like that. So thoughts on how high Doge will go? It seems, in my opinion, well over $1. So prediction on Cardano. Don't spam. Cardano end of 2021. End of cycle, $8. Should I dollar cost average? Always. Good morning, Jeremy. Which crypto should I buy now? ETH and Litecoin. What's your prediction for Bitcoin to back near all-time highs? I think in October. What's up, Mark Anthony Q? What do you think of Dent, Win, and Hot? I don't know much enough about Dent, but Win and Hot, I'm very bullish on those. I could see them 10, 20xing. I have money now. When should I buy? Buy some now. Buy like a 10 or 20% crypto earn of the money that you have now. Buy it. Buy ETH. Will ETH go back to 3K? It's possible for sure. Litecoin, I retweeted something. The Litecoin to Bitcoin price chart right now is very, very much in favor of Litecoin. I think it's going to outperform Bitcoin pretty heavily. So XRP a buy now? I would say so, yeah. Thoughts on Doge? Yeah, Doge, I hate to say it, it's going to outperform Bitcoin, so very bullish on it. Everything's dropping in the moment, like over the last 15 minutes. My goodness. Thank you, Fulani. What crypto do you think invests right now? 3K, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Litecoin for short-term gains, Ethereum long-term. Recommendation for best. All right. Hello, Ben. Best gain before next month dump. Probably like a top 10 or 20 crypto. Something that's going to do what Solana just did. Theta 2021 predictions and end of cycle. 2021 like $30. No, more like $20. End of cycle 50. So have you heard of B Network? Yeah, I use B. I'm kind of I don't have much faith in it. So when September comes end of cycle, what do we do? Should we sell? I don't think, no, end of cycle is not September. End of cycle, in my opinion, is maybe late 2021, but I think early to mid 2022. Prediction on ICP, higher. Not back to its all-time high, by no means. I'm not a fan of ICP. I don't care really how well it does. I'm not a fan. So, what is FTX? Yeah, Google it. Sorry to say it like that, but it's a platform. It's a crypto. I buy what platform do I buy from? So many different platforms, but Voyager is my favorite. Use my referral code ALE749, ALE749, and you will get $25 of free Bitcoin, and you'll skip the waiting list. RIP Kabul. Yeah, that's really sad. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Yes, Doge will outperform Bitcoin. I hate to say it. What's up, Pete Nasty? What to invest for this month? Litecoin or something like that? Bitcoin dumping? Oh my goodness. I mean, come on. Really? That's over the last 15 minutes. I don't care. Bullish on quant. Very bullish on quant. Yeah. Thank you, VidMaker. Thanks a lot. And MH, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. Why Litecoin? It's been blah forever. Listen, Litecoin is short term, but I've explained several times. Litecoin, the Litecoin to Bitcoin chart right now, Litecoin is gonna, I hate to use this phrase, it's gonna melt faces, and I do not like Litecoin. I only like it for to make a quick buck. So how low do you think XRP will go before the end of the year? How low? Not much lower than it is right now. Did I hear? Yeah, Doge will outperform Bitcoin. If you had 160 million pounds, would you buy Harry Kane or more ETH? I would definitely buy more ETH, but Harry Kane is tempting. No, Ken, I don't like Dogecoin. I will make money off of Dogecoin, but I don't like it. I'll begrudgingly make money off of Dogecoin. 1 to 2K quant end of cycle. If that happened, I wouldn't be shocked. I mean, that's outside of it's like, I don't think it's going to happen, but nothing would shock me for Litecoin. What's up, Crypto Hustler? Dot and Link, the next one to have a serious run-up, IMO. That, you might be right about that. Thoughts on Phantom, very bullish. Can I share my portfolio? No, but all right. I have mostly Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cake. So took some Doge profit yesterday. Awesome. Quant price prediction and SXP. Don't do quant. Don't know enough about SXP prices at least. Sweet glass of short seller tears. Man, I'm sorry. It's not gonna. There's no way I'm gonna be able to respond to every comment here. Elrond, I don't know enough. Mac Lorden is really bullish on Elrond, so I listen to him on that. Don't spam, please. AXS, gaming makes sense. Now, Axie Infinity is way too high. I'd be nervous to touch it. But, yeah, Ethereum Classic, I'm not a fan, but it'll go up. So do you hold more Bitcoin or ETH cash value? Weston, it's Ethereum. Definitely Ethereum. So do you think ETH will correct? It might go under $3,000 at some point, but I don't think it's going to go much lower than that. Quant 1 to 2K, yeah. Let's see. Sorry. Why are the gas fees still so high? Yeah, I don't know. I thought one of those EIPs was supposed to fix that, but it was something about like stabilizing it but not fixing. I don't know. That's annoying. Thoughts on BNB? I really like BNB. It's a beast. It's something I'll be holding throughout the bear market to some extent. So yeah, still bearish for September. I am bearish for September. I am expecting a pullback. I expect August for us to go up a little higher, maybe get to 50,000, maybe a little higher for Bitcoin, but there'll be a pullback in September, in my opinion. How short term we talking about for Litecoin? A month, 3 months. So I don't know. Best coin to buy today, Ethereum. Let's see, thoughts on VeChain. I love VeChain. Litecoin short term, 2 to 4 years. No, I'm talking months. I'm talking like 6 months, 7 months, 8 months max. Why no predictions on quant? Quant does what quant does. It's fruitless predicting quant. Is it good to buy an XRP now or wait? I would say now is a good time. We still walking on an eggshell. What do you mean? I'm still a little nervous, to be honest with you guys. I am a little nervous, and it's mostly because I still hear people saying that we're going to 20K, and I'm like, that sounds insane to me. But what do you see that I'm just either ignoring or denying? So, any chance Litecoin goes beyond $1,000? I think it's very likely that Litecoin will go beyond $1,000. Realistic XRP price prediction end of 2022? I don't know. I think we'll be in the bear market in 2022. But I've been saying $8 to $10 between now and then. Pancake end of year, $100 or so. Or end of cycle, I mean. Vet a long hold, not for me, no. Is it time to drop or are we about to surge? We'll see. You know, I still think we have room to go higher for this month. $48,000 is seems to be a pretty heavy barrier. So vet prediction $1. Is it worth selling just before this September? No. I mean, I'm not, if you want to do that, fine, but I don't think so. Pablo's been pretty quiet. He's making some weird videos lately. I mean, he's still making videos, but yeah, not very consistent. Litecoin price prediction end of this bull run over $1,000. I'm sorry if I missed any comments. Again, I'm trying really hard. Change your name to World War Ethereum. No, somebody else already has that name. And no, Bitcoin is always going to be my first love. Difference between a bear market and a crypto winter. I don't think there is one. When people use those words, crypto winter, I think they are referring to a bear market. It is what it is. C'est la vie. Anyway, let's see. Thoughts on Nervos? Don't know enough. Sorry. They are looking at macro economy for 20K Bitcoin. No, Crypto Hustler, there are some people who are absolutely committed to the fact that we had this pump up in the price to 64,000 for Bitcoin, and then we had a death cross. And they are absolutely convinced that because we had a death cross, we must go down to the 200-week moving average, which is under $20,000. And I disagree with them significantly. Vet prediction $1. I don't like BNB. They have so much bad news. Yeah, Dan, short, medium term, I'm a little, not so much for BNB, but long term, I'm bullish on BNB. Buy XLM now or wait? I'd say buy now. Hello, somebody said, saw your video on Twitter. Do you invest in gold? I plan on investing a little bit in gold in the bear market, like $20,000-$30,000 or something like that. Solana 20% ETH market. Oh, really? Okay. Sorry, I have to skip it. So I have to skip comments on TikTok. My Litecoin enthusiasm, it's been informed by other people, Lee. I don't like Litecoin, but I see the writing on the wall as far as like where the price should pump. Their liquidations will be the making of us. Not sure what you're saying, Raspberry Ripple. The chat's way too hot. Yeah, all right. I'm done with. Thank you, Caesar. I'm done with talking about Litecoin. I hate defending Litecoin, but because it's not a long-term hold for me. I'm going to dump all of it, but it's clear to me that it's going to pump. Buy Hex or cry later. Okay. ALBT, HDR, form. What are your thoughts? Nothing about any of those. Sorry. Man, what's going on here? My computer's kind of slow right now. Excellent price target. I'll say $3. HBAR, what's HR's possibility? $2. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash is trash. What's your view as NFTs, fat or long term? They'll exist long term, but a lot of them are going to be worth $0. ADA prediction, end of year, end of cycle, $8. The Death Cross. Okay. Man, I'm sorry. I'm having way too much trouble on my computer right now. Wink price prediction, 10 or 20x from here. How do you make money on crypto? Buy and hold and then sell to take profits. AMP and Amazon coming together, maybe. Doge is going to outperform other cryptos. I hate to say it. I'm not in any microcaps except for some meme coins. Shiba Inu, I'm surprised to see that Doge is pumping, but Shiba Inu isn't. Usually Shiba Inu pumps. Same for SafeMoon after Doge pumps, but it's not happening. So I think it's going to be flat for a while. What's signaling a Litecoin pump? No more talking about Litecoin. Sorry. People, I don't like Litecoin, and people are forcing me to defend Litecoin. It's like you've got to look into it. Follow this guy, misconfig_exe on Twitter. And see his thoughts. I retweeted something 2 weeks ago about Litecoin. So do you believe ETH will eventually pass Bitcoin in market cap? Yes. I'm very confident about that. But I don't think that's going to kill Bitcoin. Quant to the moon, okay. Dave Batista, what about him? Bitcoin pump. We still have more room to go up, in my opinion. I will sell Bitcoin Cash and buy Quant. Maybe that's not a bad idea. What will be the biggest percent gainer this next pump? I have no idea. Would you say to buy Doge for short-term gains? Yeah, but don't hold it long-term. Would you recommend investing in Matic or waiting till the drop? Wait. Will Bitcoin ever replace fiat? Not Bitcoin, but Alice pump. Yeah, pay a little attention to Alice, but cool. I don't own any. Everpedia, nothing. BTT, I'm not a huge fan. Anything that Justin Sun has touched, I just stay away from it. XRP will do well after the SEC suit is over. I'm thinking $8 to $10 this cycle. Is AMP a good project? Is now a good price to get in? I'm not following the AMP price, but I do believe it's a good project. So buy one full ETH and an eighth of Bitcoin. There we go. Yeah. Atom. It's kind of on my radar. I own some. There's nothing about it that really sticks out to me about things. So, oh man, Shiba has a 10 trillion supply. Yeah, less than $1 billion. It will never be worth anything. I mean, it will increase in value and decrease in value. Is it a bad time to buy more Ethereum? I would buy some now after this drop that we just had. Sorry, man, my bad. Bitcoin Death Cross short liquidations will trigger. Yes, all right, there we go, Raspberry Ripple. It's not your fault. It's mine. It's just way too hot right now. Are we in alt season? We're in an alt season, a mini alt season. And after that, you know, they'll, in my opinion, there will be a 25% drop in Bitcoin, and things will drop more. But we're still going to go up higher, in my opinion. What's a good indicator to know the market cycle, having a hard time to make a decision when to sell? Just when you see euphoria, when you see there's going to be a little voice inside your head, and I hope at least, that says like, man, things are way too hot right now. And at that time, you should probably take some profits. There's going to be a time when I am just going to exit completely, aside from my 5 long-term holds of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. I'm just going to be out. And whatever happens after that, fine. So What's my knowledge of Justin Sun? I mean, I know that he founded Tron and BTT, and he rug pulled Tron really hard. So thoughts on Holochain? Very bullish on Holochain, 1020x or something like that. Sorry, again, I am able to respond to every question or comment on YouTube, but not on TikTok. It's way too hot right now. So follow me on YouTube, subscribe to my channel, World War Bitcoin, and ask a question there. Vincent, thank you for subscribing. Vidmaker, thank you so much for subscribing. You loving Chainlink like I am right now? I love Chainlink, yeah. End of cycle for Cake, 3 figures, I don't know. You think Pi will ever be anything? Yes, I do. Dogecoin is going to outperform Bitcoin, unfortunately. But yeah, but on the way up, but on the way down, it's going to crash really hard. I have heard of Hoj, not really paying attention to it. What do you think about Luna? I'm not surprised that Luna has reached a new all-time high. It's pumping. I'm bullish on Luna. I told people when Luna was $6 to get in on Luna. So hey, Kingling, you think we're back in a bull market? Yeah, I do. What one coin should I put 10K into? If it's one coin, I would say Ethereum. I think it's too hot right now. It can get much hotter than this, Tornacci. But maybe you're right. You know, I think it will be too hot. If it's not too hot right now, it will be in a month or so. Get a real job. No, I'm semi-retired. Any worries about Cake? I'm getting mad gains. I'm not super worried about Cake right now. I do think it's going to go higher. And, you know, I'm making 100%, 93% annual returns on the Cake that's staking. So I'm not exiting that. No long-term hold on Cardano. No. Troy is about to pump. Just Tron. Do you mean Tron, Robart, or Troy? How long do bear markets last? The last one lasted for quite a bit. I mean, well, no, for Bitcoin at least, it took about a year to reach its bottom, and then it pumped after that. You know, went up at least after that. Do you take profits on long-term holds? Not really, no. I do think we're back in a bull market. I said that, yeah. Doge to the moon, yeah. Crow price prediction, 50 cents to $1. Why are we dumping now? I mean, we've been pumping, so it's okay. Should I sell or hold? In my opinion, you should hold, but it's never a bad idea to take profits. Why did I start out on social media discussing crypto? I love crypto, love it a lot. And this is something that I've just been in, you know, and I've realized over a long period of time that having a social media following online can be very lucrative. And so it's not pure intentions. I make a couple $100 a month right now, but it could be lucrative in the long run for me. So Dogecoin recommendation, buy or hold. I don't have a clubhouse, sorry, Dougie Fresh. Doge will hit $1, I agree. Is it a good idea to start selling? It's never a bad idea to take some profits, but I'm holding. I'm not selling anything. SHIB is going to be flat for a while, in my opinion. Avalanche Coin, AVAX, I like it in general. I don't own any, so yeah, Shiba Inu is going to be flat. Honest thoughts on Doge? I'm not a fan, but I'm a numbers guy, you know, and looking at the numbers, it's clear it's outperforming Bitcoin right now, and it will continue to outperform Bitcoin. But listen to me, when it crashes, when it's all over, it's going to crash really, really hard. And so I'd rather just hold Bitcoin. But I hold both. Why are so many unanimously saying that Bitcoin will go to 100K? Because of the halvings, because of price increases. You know, I believe in lengthening cycles with diminishing returns, and diminishing, if it only went to 100K, the returns would be so much less than the 2013 peak to the 2017 peak. And so I don't know what you know, VidMaker, about the halving cycles. If you don't know anything about it, I would strongly recommend checking that out. Thoughts on how high Doge will go? Minimum $1. I really think at this point it's going to go much higher than that. Not much. I mean, I don't think $2, but I think it'll clear $1 better than that. Have I gotten a degree? I was an economics major in college. You know, but you're welcome to keep trolling me. XRP prediction, $8 to $10. How high do you think Doge will get? Over $1. I do think we are in a bull. I think we were in a bear market, but now we're in bull market. Will there be a drop? I believe so. Thank you for those gifts, by the way. H bar price prediction $2. VThor to $1. Not VThor, no. VChain, yes. I love Crow Shifty 7. Love it, love it. It's going to be worth much higher 10 years from now than it is now. So how high do you see Theta going end of year? Darren, I would say end of cycle. What am I thinking? $50 or so. Maybe higher than that. Yeah. Biggest percent gainer this next big pump. I don't know, weekend bankers. I see you keep on asking that question. That's not an easy question for me to answer. So Mr. Shill, am I Mr. Shill? What do I shill? I'm a Bitcoin guy, you know, and I like Ethereum too. So Hyperfund, I don't know about Hyperfund. XRP gains are crazy right now. Let's go, yeah. And it's undervalued in my opinion. Orchid, don't know enough. Good morning, Fry. Opinion on Mina, yeah. I'm bullish on Mina in the long run. I don't think the technology for what they want to do, lightest blockchain, all that stuff, I don't think that exists right now. So, you know, it is what it is. It'll come. Quant 5-year price prediction. All right, let me just say this decade, 4 figures seems like a no-brainer. 5 figures is entirely possible for quant. When will there be a drop? In September, in my opinion. Clove, I'm not paying attention. You can buy XRP on Uphold. He loves fiat money, not crypto. Remember the way he talked. I love fiat money. What? How much of a drop? Maybe 25%. What altcoins to buy at the moment? Really, Ethereum and Litecoin. Was this a bull trap the whole time? I don't think so. If the USA goes to war with Taliban, will it affect crypto? Maybe short term, but not long term. Doge doesn't have any functionality, does it? No, but the community behind it is really strong. So will this all drop soon? I feel like everyone says peak early next year still. Maybe in the fall, but again, September, in my opinion, is going to be flat. I've been saying that for months now. I've been saying for months that August would be a good month, that September would not be a good month, and that October, November, December would be awesome. So what do I think of VThor? I like VChain, so I like VThor. Pablo was right. Oh, man. I'm assuming you're joking, trash.exe. All right, come on. Here we go. Sorry, I need to look at something real quick. Where can you buy XRP? Uphold. Link predictions, $200 this cycle. Crow HQ is in Hong Kong. Could get hairy political. Oh, that's a good thought. Good point. XLM, bullish on XLM, bullish on Algo. $7 this cycle for Algo. Opinion on ADA, I think this month and next. I've been saying for a while that this month would be a good month for Cardano, and look at it, you know. How much of a dip? 25% or so for Bitcoin. But in your percentage, what would it be? Top percent gainer this cycle? Probably something I've never heard of, but Litecoin. Thank you, user 418. Cardano is easily a better hold than some of the ones you mentioned. Okay. All right. I mean, the staking. All right. Here's my argument for why I'm not holding Cardano long term. So on one hand, 70% of Cardano is staked right now, which is awesome. That's great. That means that it's not going to crash nearly as much as it crashed from the 2018 peak to the bear market bottom. But Cardano lost 98% of its value from the 2018 peak to the bear market bottom. I want to see how it does in the bear market this time around. If it does well, then okay, fine. It'll be a long-term hold for me next time around. But I'm not messing with that this time around. So vet prediction, $1. Man, 35 people on YouTube. I'm not even, that's awesome. Great. Retracement coming. I agree. Are we still bullish? Yes. I mean, for the remainder of this month, I would say that we're going to go higher. Zilliqa price prediction this cycle, $1, $2. I don't know. I don't have any. Solana, I love Solana, but stay away. I love Solana, but stay away. How do you know September won't be a good month? I mean, I don't know, Jack. I don't know. And so, all right. So, but here's it's all based on past history. September historically in the stock market has been an awful month. It's been the worst month of the year on average since 1980. Every September, we flirt with the 20-week moving average, the 20-week simple moving average. That moving average right now is around $43,000. And so I think in September that we are going to dip wherever we go. If we go to $55,000, $60,000, whatever in August, I think in September we're going to dip to the 20-week moving average, which is at about $43,000. And then we'll go higher. Okay? And so that's happened the last 5 years. In some way, we have flirted with the 20-week moving average. And then in the 2013 bull run, in the 2017 bull run, we went down to the 20-week moving average and then bounced off of it. And I think the same thing's going to happen this time around. And so that's why I don't know that September's going to be a bad month or a flat month. But in my opinion, at some point in September, that's what's going to happen. What was my worst crypto investment this year? Riot blockchain. So I know that's not a crypto investment, but I bought options on it and lost about $50,000. Or not 50, $15,000. Or you keep mentioning end of cycle. What exactly is the end of the cycle? That's the end of the bull run. You've got to understand Bitcoin halving. Look up Bitcoin halving cycles, and you'll see. All right, mate, Pablo is going live today. You have to join him. I'd like to see that conversation. He doesn't want to go live with me. I'm certain of it. If he sent me a message, we're friends on TikTok, friends. If he did, I would be happy to join him. But I don't think he wants anything to do with me right now. I annihilated him. So how do you know? So, Jack, are you kidding me, Jack? Are you kidding me? I've been talking for the last 5 minutes about why September wouldn't go good. You've got to be kidding me, man. Sorry about that. What price do you think Ethereum will be if Bitcoin dips to 25K? It won't, but like $1,400. I haven't said anything. No, I've said plenty about SHIB. Why stay away from Solana? Don't chase a green candle. That's my #1 rule. You got Solana. Good. I mean, hold on to it. People... you're welcome. Hey, there we go, Matthew. Yes, I would say hold still. ADA held well during recent correction. Yeah, Raspberry, you're right about that. How do you take funds out on Binance? What's the best wallet to use? I don't know. I'm not sure because I don't use Binance. I use Trust Wallet, which has a lot of the same features as Binance. But, I mean, it can't be hard. Solana going to $100. I agree. I sound irritated. I mean, like, I spent so much time answering that question, and he kept asking that. And not only that, but, like, he called me out in the comment section of a video. I remember that, Jack. And you said I was being arrogant for saying that I've been better than Pablo. And it's like, no, that's, it's not arrogant to say something that's true. Link price prediction, $200 or so. Solana, what am I lying about with Solana? Am I selling on September? No, I'm just holding. At what pancake market cap will the syrup pools get hacked? I'm going to stay away from that question, but why stay away from Solana? Number one rule is don't chase a green candle. Link price prediction, $200. HBAR price prediction, $2. I like the analysis. Okay, fine. Quant sizzling with imminent news. Okay. VeChain price prediction, $1. I'm here for the drama. That's funny. Do you have any feels about Polka Bridge? No, I don't know anything about Polka Bridge. You're welcome, Mark Anthony. Don't you think altcoins have the advantage over Bitcoin? On the way up, they do, but on the way down, they don't, Doug. And so I've been saying September is not going to be a good month. And so, I mean, in October, I'd be heavy into alts. What price is the 20-week moving average roughly? It's about $43,000 right now. Why are prices going down now? It happens, it just happens. It's been an hour and the prices have gone down. I think $48,000 is going to be a pretty heavy level of resistance. Clove, don't know enough. Why stay away from Solana? I think this is the 4th or 5th time I'm saying this. My #1 rule is don't chase a green candle. Do not chase a green candle. Solana is scorching hot. I've been listening to Pablo for long, and he avoided me losses, but now I have missed out on 28K Bitcoin. Yeah, So should I buy before it skyrockets his thing? I would wait until you see Bitcoin go to the 20-week moving average, AUG. My worst was Bondly. Ooh, oh man. Man, you guys are killing me. Solana, I've answered a million questions about Solana. Which is the safest stable coin? Yeah, all right. Plot lost. September can't go good because of 9/11. Okay. Why is it going down right now? Because it goes up, it goes down. So price prediction for Link, $100 this cycle. What about Matic? I'm bullish on it short and medium term. I'm a little nervous long term, but I think it'll be fine. What's up, Nicholas Baxter? Should I grab some Luna? Wait a little bit on Luna. I mean, it's been going higher. It's been pretty hot lately. So, angry boy, I'm a man. I'm a man. Sorry, my name is Jack. Please don't get... Yeah, no, Jack Vito. Whatever his name is. He's been a prick lately. So, price prediction for Link, $100. CHR, don't know enough. Please don't let Jack stress me out. I'm waiting for him to comment again. Jack, hey, give me another comment, please, Jack. I hold Bitcoin, ETH, and ADA. All right, that's good. Thoughts on any news on XRP? I don't know if the SEC suit's going to end anytime soon, but I am bullish on it. Prediction for Link, $100 or so. With everything happening in Cardano in September, do you think Cardano will have a bad September too? I think in general it will go down with the market, but I think it's still going to be a good month. All right. Give me 1 second, everybody. Oh, man. 1 second. I'm not going to be able to respond to anything for the moment. Oh, this is killing me. Hey, Jack, could you please give another comment? I'm trying to mute you. All right. Never mind. Should I sell ETH and Doge in September and buy again? I wouldn't recommend it for Ethereum. What's the max price Bitcoin will go up? In my opinion, I think it's going to hit $200,000 this cycle. Quant will be $1,000 soon. I hope you're right. Prediction on when the top of the market is early to mid 2022. Should I wait to buy back in now, or should I wait until mid September? You know, you could do some short term gains right now. But do you hold DOT or Kusama? I have DOT. Mark, thoughts on SafeMoon? I'm wondering about SafeMoon. All right, usually when Doge pumps, like it did for, I need to coach football, that would be awesome. Usually when Doge pumps like it did, like the other meme coins have like an alt season, and I'm not seeing that right now with Shiba, with SafeMoon, stuff like that. And so I just think that SafeMoon's going to be pretty flat still for another couple months. All right, lowest price for Bitcoin in the current correction. The 20-week moving average is about $43,000. Have you seen Luna going mad? Yeah, I have. Large inheritance in Janie Montgomery. Should I leave it or pull? What's Janie Montgomery? What is your prediction on when the top of the market is? Early mid 2022. All right. There's Jack. Give me 1 second. Jack, I'm muting you because, I'm muted Jack because I spent a lot of time answering his question, and then he kept on asking the same question, and then I spent time answering another question, and he kept on asking that other question, and it really got under my skin, especially because you called me arrogant when I said that my analysis was better than Pablo, which is not an opinion, it's a fact. So... all right, CFTC says crypto is under their jurisdiction. Is this bullish? CFTC. I don't know. Did you see that video I sent you about buying Bitcoin in 2010? Yeah, Fry, I saw that. Where am I from? I'm in the Midwest of the United States. Why not stake cake? No, I stake cake. I love staking cake. What's your prediction on when the top of the market is? Early to mid 2022, again. So... What is the lowest price for Bitcoin in the current correction? 20-week moving average, $43,000. Bought 10K in Solana yesterday. Wow. Okay. I hope you have other stuff. You know, why is it flat in September? I've answered that question a ton of times. Watch my second most recent TikTok. When will the 20-week moving average be? When will it be? Where will it be? I mean, it's at $43,000 right now. Confused, isn't dollar cost averaging the same as what? The same as what? Thoughts on Candace? I'm really sad that Candace died. Yeah. A 20-week moving average on Bitcoin is 15. No, that's a 200-week moving average. Oh, 20-week moving average. The simple moving average, it's only one thing. Should I not stake cake? No, you should stake cake, yeah. How low do you think ETH will go in September? I could see it going a little under $3,000 or so. We'll see. I mean, it depends on how high it goes this month. Alex, nice man, went to school at University of Pittsburgh. Okay, nice. Trying his best with his advice. Charlie got good info. Thank you. I didn't see anyone talking trash. Best place to use Matic to farm? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know where you do that. BTT thoughts, not a fan. Any launch pads I'm in? No, I'm not in any launch pads. What's the lowest price for Bitcoin? I answered that already 3 times. Oh, there's about a 2-minute lag. Okay. All right. Brother, get into quant. I'm in quant. I love quant. Time frame for the cycle, please. Early to mid 2022. Greetings from Singapore. Hello. Hello. I like Singapore. Favorite alts now. Ethereum, if you want to count that, and Litecoin. I have way more patience. Thank you. Still holding Doge. Purchase at 0.7 cents. Awesome. XLM, $3 maybe. Vector Space, don't know enough. Celsius. All right. Celsius has good APY on Matic. There we go. How about VET? What am I thinking about? Music channel. I'm very bullish on VET. Or sorry, I love VET. I love it. I've been thinking $1 or so for this cycle. Holding 5 Ether with great profit. Should I put some profit into quant? Oh, yeah, I think so. A little bit, not a ton. Should I not stake cake? You should stake cake. AMP, bullish on AMP. I like AMP. No price predictions. Hey, Childish Gambino. Low. Oh my goodness. AMP $1, maybe. Why are the gas fees for Why are there gas fees for ETH? That has always evaded me. Miners, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Prediction for HBAR $2. Prediction for Cardano $8. About 500 XRP. Done good for me. Nice. Finally, I tried the Uphold. Yeah. Would you move any ETH to quant? Maybe a little bit. If you don't own any quant, yeah, get some exposure to that. I don't know what Janie Montgomery is. Sorry, man. Are your price predictions just guesses, or are you doing math? I'm doing math. They are, I mean, yes, they're guesses. Absolutely, they're guesses. But I'm also doing math. Is cake staking bad? No. Top alts you like now, Ethereum and Litecoin. All right, I've answered a lot of these questions already, so just buy some quant. The price will pump. Which quant at right now? Yeah, price prediction on ADA, $2. All right, let's see. Congrats on the viewer increase, but I miss our streams with 5 people. Yeah, Grant. I don't like investing at all-time high. What do you think about it? Yeah, I mean, any time, Pedro, that something hits an all-time high, I'm like, you know, I'm going to invest in something else, you know? So, price prediction on BNB this cycle, over $1,000. Solana price, end of year prediction. End of cycle, $200 or so. Hey, what's up, crypto newbie? XLM, $3. Did I miss your top picks today? Litecoin and Ethereum. No thoughts on the safest stablecoin? Oh, safest stablecoin, probably USD coin. Wow, is it so far? Is it that far behind? Wow, okay. Man, this my live stream chat. I'm sorry, guys. My live stream chat on my computer was way behind. So sorry if I got upset too much. All right, I hit refresh, and so If I missed a question, then ask it again. When is Bitcoin hitting all-time high? Please stop spamming. Early to mid 2022, in my opinion. Phantom Network. I like it. I'm bullish. I don't use it. I don't have any, but it seems pretty legit. Greetings from Saudi Arabia. Okay. B-Pro. Gambling. Makes sense. Bullish on it. Yeah, I was 3 minutes back. Yeah, my bad. I have 6,000 in USDT and all my money. What should I do? Wait. Maybe wait a little bit. Maybe Jack asked while it was behind. Yeah, you know what? Jack, my bad. But you know, the reason why I muted him was more than just the fact that he was asking all those questions. Isn't crypto great? Yes, it is. Matic Link dot cycle. $8 Matic, $200 for Chainlink and Polkadot. So any moonshots, I don't really pay attention to moonshots. Schedule on live stream on YouTube, same time every day. Not necessarily. Sometimes it just depends. So just depends. Usually it's in the morning, Ken. Should I switch my Ethereum Classic to Litecoin? If you don't own any Litecoin, sure, yeah. So Jack, if you're still watching, I would unmute you, but I can't right now. Premier League soccer team wearing Dogecoin on their jersey next year. Okay. StormX, no thoughts on StormX. The VRA, I like the team. I like Theta better, but bullish. So how long have I been in crypto? Since 2013. Participating in the Flare network ecosystem? No. How long? Yeah, I answered that. Vet and Crow cycle, both maybe around $1. Do I have a Telegram group? I have a Telegram group, but I don't post in it very much. So, hey, Cyberdude, what's up, man? Is my live video uploaded to YouTube? Yes, it is. I just purchased 20 cakes on crypto. You think it's a good investment to sell it for early 2022? Yes. Or when things go parabolic. Are we going up or down from here? I think the rest of the month we're going to climb a little bit. But then next month, I think it's going to be flat. So, thoughts on Alice? Don't really know enough. It's kind of on my radar, but don't know enough. And again, guys, this chat's way too hot. I am live on YouTube. Look me up on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. I am actually able to answer every question there. So, can you please share on Twitter? What is the name of the group? What group? Hey, just checking in. Sorry, this has been asked. Should I sell apt coins by end of month? I don't think so, but it's always good to take profits. You think Solana will be as big as BNB or Ethereum? No. I think it'll grow faster than both of those, but never reach as big. So, would you sell if Bitcoin hit $100,000? No. I'll sell in 20 years my Bitcoin. I don't know enough about Dent or Quick. Thoughts on Bitcoin right now? I've been saying for a while that it would go higher. So I've been saying for a while August would be a good month, and then flat, and then September would be flat. So PSG coin is insane. I'm staying away from that. Top 10 coins. I'm not going to give you top 10, but Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, HBAR, Solana, and Quant. At what point will Ethereum pass Bitcoin? At what price point? What price point? I don't know. I don't know. But I think in 2023, how do you know or determine whether crypto will go up or down? I mean, everything follows Bitcoin for the most part. So I pay attention. I pay most of my attention to Bitcoin. And then I say, based on that other things will go up or down. Top 3 crypto: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance. Still a good time to get in Solana? Nah, wait a little bit on Solana. It's a little too hot. Algorand, I believe. Thank you, Jose, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Algorand, I believe Algo will hit $7 this cycle. I bought one NFT. The gas fees were more expensive than the NFT. And then the price of listing it was also more expensive than the NFT. If you want to buy NFTs, pay more money. You have to invest thousands so the gas fees don't kill you. Good time to buy coins today or wait. I think right now is a good time after we saw this dip. Any crypto under $1 that has your, I mean, I like VeChain. So when do you think Quant's going to go down to 125? Will it? I mean, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I know that I said that, Nicholas, but the longer it hangs around 150, the more I'm thinking that maybe that it's just going to stay at 150. Thoughts on, nope, not going to talk about that one, Lee John. Solana or Quant? Solana. And that's really hard for me to say because they're neck and neck as far as how much I like both of them. Would you ever do the BitBoy panel show? I'd love to. Yeah, but I don't know. I don't think I'm on his radar. I know you're not a meme fan like Shiba. I don't like Shiba. You know, I own some. I think it's going to be flat for a while. VThor predictions up. I don't even know how many fractions of a penny it is. So why will September be a bad month? September historically is a bad month. I've taken a long time to explain that. Price prediction for Bitcoin in September. I think it's going to go down to its 20-week moving average, and which is around $43,000. XRP, $8 to $10. Can VeChain reach 60 cents this year? I think so, yeah. What do you think about SHIB and Doge? I'm not a fan. I do think they will go higher. What is ETH 2.0 about? Moving from proof of work to proof of stake. And there's 12,800 ETH being mined a day right now. That's going to go down to 1,280 ETH staked per day. There's already, with the amount of ETH that's mined, there's already a supply crunch happening. This is going to put it on steroids. Thoughts on Quant ever hitting $1,000? Yeah, I think it will. Possible 2023 when ETH passed Bitcoin. Maybe. Where do you see Crow going short term? A little higher. Thoughts on BTT? I'm a fan. Sorry, I'm not a fan. Not a fan at all, but it will go higher. So, all right, VThor is over a pence. Okay. Any good gaming crypto? Mana, Axie, but Axie's too hot. Where can we get solid crypto news? Oh, man. Sorry. The Modern Investor. I subscribe to him on YouTube. Look him up on YouTube. I like him a lot. He looks like my brother. 5 coins to invest in long-term besides Bitcoin and ETH. Binance, Chainlink, HBAR, and Quant. No, I'm not going to say Cardano. Yeah, September will be bad if the stock market corrects then. No VThor prediction, sorry. How about 20 cents? But that's a total guess. Litecoin chart looks amazing. Thank you, Miles. It was in 2018. Something was in 2018. XDC will outperform XLM and XRP. That's all I'll say. This is my first bull run. How long after the beginning of the blow off top crashes the bottom of the bear market? Or is it too hard to know? Well, last time, Grant, it happened in it happened in a year for Bitcoin, but then it took like 2 to 3 years for the altcoins to start pumping. Ethereum, it took more like a year and a half, 2 years, something like that. HBAR is a long-term hold for me. Bullish, $2 this cycle or so. All right, sorry, I'm going back down to the bottom of the chat. What's wrong with Cardano? Cardano is like SafeMoon right now. You know, lots of hype, lots of things that they're saying they're going to do. But, you know, and those things are coming very soon. I acknowledge that. But there's nothing wrong with Cardano, really. It's going to be a while before we know what Cardano is. Crow and Rio, Crow and Orica. I don't know anything about Rio, Orica. Crow is going to exist for a long time. I'm very bullish on it. So do the traders know of a crypto exchange that allows you to drag and drop SLs? Like, I have no idea what you're talking about. Sorry. AMP, suspiciously low activity. Okay. Did you answer this? Do you think we'll see an ETH all-time high in August? I don't think so. No. Love Coin Watch shows in 2018. VeChain hit $7. Have you seen this? Or is it a bad chart? Did it hit $7? Yeah, I think it might have launched and it was at $7 or something like that. Everything's going to be okay. Thank you. Wilder World, your thoughts? Nothing. Sorry. XRP, $8 to $10. ETH cycle, will it go over 10K? I think a conservative estimate would be 10K. Should I sell my Cardano for a big bag of... You shouldn't. Whatever that thing was. Of HBAR, no. Dogecoin and AMP, what do you think is going to happen? They'll go higher. Thoughts on SafeMoon? SafeMoon's going to be flat for a while. I'm surprised. You know, when Doge pumps... Other coins, SafeMoon, Shiba Inu tend to pump as well, but they're not right now. Alchemy, don't know enough. Price prediction on Solana. $200 this cycle. Drag and drop stop losses. Oh, okay. You can do something on TradingView. The SEC lawsuit will be hugely bullish for the whole of crypto if we win. Yeah, I agree. Thank you for the gifts, Adam. Thank you, Hades. Thoughts on Solana? Very bullish. All right, guys. I'm getting pretty wiped out right now. So you're welcome, Jonathan. Will Bitcoin hit all-time high in September? I don't think so. No. I think in October it will. So I'm going to run. But thank you all for your time. Follow me on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Follow me on Twitter, WW Bitcoin. I have an Insta now, World War Bitcoin on Instagram. What else? For those of you on YouTube, if you don't follow me on TikTok. Oh, thank you, Richard Liu, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok. And if you're watching on TikTok, follow me on TikTok. I was the MVP for July. August, we'll see. I haven't been spectacular. I've just been kind of whatever, So I haven't been bad. When will I go live again? I'll go live on. I'll go live tomorrow. I probably won't go live today. I have a meeting in the afternoon, but tomorrow morning I'll go live again. I usually go live every morning. So thank you all. I see you following me there. Thanks a lot. No, I don't know anything about Orchid.